All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go get the oil change. So we're gonna take a walk around the dealership, see what new things they got sitting on the lot. And of course, we're always gonna start the morning with a cold start. All right, folks, you saw it in the thumbnail, you heard it on the intro. We're at the dealership here at Bowie, Ourisman Chrysler Dodge Jeep. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit while we get the oil changed and shake and bake. So let's see what they got hanging out here. Right out front, they got this beautiful, beautiful looking Jeep Gladiator hanging out right here out front. That blue is nice, man. That blue looks sharp. I don't know, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Looking good, looking good. All right, I don't think it's open. Get a look on the inside. I know you're probably seeing my reflection more than anything else. Let's walk around here and look at the sticker. Let's see what the sticker says. Woo-wee! This bad boy is $54,000. But I bet you you can get a deal. Come on in here and see Vincenzo. He's the man. He's the one that's I've done most of my business through. Great guy. Tell him Don Prope sent you and he'll take care of you. All right, now we got a pretty red Jeep Sahara Wrangler hanging out here, 4-door. Looking nice. Let's see, I know you guys ain't gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna go take a look. So there's the sticker. Woo-wee! Sahara 4x4, $54,000. $54,000. Like I said, I'm sure you get in here, you talk to Vincenzo, he can make you a deal. I bet. I bet. Looking nice, looking nice. Hit me up in the comments down below what you think. All right, folks, I know some people like to bash the 6 cylinders, but here's a nice Chargers GT sitting out here looking nice. Hey, if you're one of those that are worried about gas mileage, not worried about performance, but you want the look of a sports car, hey, the V6 is a good option. They are a lot cheaper than the V8s and a little bit better on gas as well. Hey, I'm not a V6 basher, man. These things, they still push out, what, just over 300 horsepower, and they'll get you where you want to go in a hurry if you want to. Just going down the line here. Here we go. Look at this nice Ram, man. This Ram's looking pretty. 1500, 5.7. Ooh, it's looking nice. Looking nice. Like I said, if you're looking for a vehicle, come on out here to Ourisman and Bowie. They got them out here. Thinking about a new truck? Nice big horn. Nice big horn out here sitting, just waiting for someone to pick it up. All right, folks, now we're walking around the back lot. Another Jeep Gladiator. Looks like almost a destroyer gray kind of color. Another Gladiator, silverish in color. Got a black 4-door Sahara. White Wrangler. Another white Wrangler, unlimited sport. Got a couple empty spots out here. That's interesting. Big old Rubicon. Look at that bad boy. That thing's ready to, this thing's ready to hit the trails for sure. Let's see what the sticker says on this one. Let's get some sticker shock. There we are, 55K. Wrangler Rubicon 4x4. Got a lot of optional equipment on there. That's why that price is up there. Of course, you got the big tires and all that too. So I'm sure it's a little more than 55. We're hitting Jeep Row right now. All right, you know, we're just walking the lot, checking things out. Uh-oh, here we got a Willys Jeep. Jeep Unlimited. Like I said, if you're looking for a Dodge Chrysler product, make sure you come here to Bowie Dodge. Check out Vincenzo. He's the man. He's the one that's going to get you the deal. All right, we got a couple 300s sitting out here. Let's check this one out. 32K 300 touring with chrome appearance package. All right, don't sleep on these 300s now. These 300s are nice. Got a couple sitting here. This one's got the interesting wheels on there. Let's check out the sticker. Touring with sport appearance package. 3.6 liter V6. Not bad, not bad. Looks good. Got those black wheels, black accents. Got that stormtrooper look going on. All right, here we go. Getting into some Chargers now. Got the Brembo brakes. Charger GT Plus. Again, 3.6 liter V6. Hey, don't sleep on these things. These things are nice, man. This one's pretty well decked out with a lot of options. 43K, bit expensive for a 6-cylinder, but it was pretty well decked out. I'll tell you, those Brembo brakes are expensive alone. 2020 GT blacktop F8 green. Looking good, looking good. Looking around, this seems to be about the only Challenger they have out here. All right, this thing looks pretty sharp. Looks pretty sharp. 2020 SXT blacktop. 32K. I'm sure that's not what you're gonna pay, but come check them out if you're looking for that sports car for not a lot of money. Get a little performance out of that V6. Hey, this is a place to get it from. All right, we got a couple Durangos sitting out here. Inventory looking a little slim over here. Usually they got this place packed up. Here we got a Durango blacktop edition GT 3.6 liter V6, 50K. And these Durangos, boy, they're expensive, but they're well worth it. Absolutely well worth it. All right, folks, I did my little walk around of the lot, see what they got going on out here. Looks like it's a little slim pickings when it comes to the sports car, the Chargers and the Challengers. They got a number of Jeeps out here. So, like, again, if you're looking for something in the Jeep range, or if you're looking for a V6, it seems to be the only thing they got out here now. Hey, come on out here to Ourisman Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Come get you something. See Vincenzo. That's gonna do it for this one. So if you're stopping in for the first time, please go ahead, check out the rest of my content. If you like what's going on with the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.